So just over here we've got the retro booster. Here in the workshop, just finished putting it together. And alright, so our clean sound is playing through a solid state Studio 85 Fender amplifier, which is, as it says, from the 80s. Got 3 settings, top 1, 2, and 3, and we'll have a little listen. So this is the clean setting. Turning it on. So automatically there's a richer, fuller tone. It's a bit of breakup now. Okay, so we're going to go to setting number 2. So this is setting number 1. This is setting 2. So setting 1's got a little bit more upper mid. There's a bit more mids in there. Middle section is the number 2 section. This is it off. So you got some more upper mids in there. Now, section 3 though is it's got a real bark about it, a real heavy attack. A lot more breakup. Middle setting. And setting number 1. Definitely versatile.